You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French rugby player. And I believe he's from, he was born in New Zealand actually. In French in France, first it's said as Uini Atonio. Uini Atonio. Now in New Zealand, in Maori, it'd be said more as Uini Atonio. Uini Atonio. But in French again, Uini Atonio. In English, you could say it as Uini Atonio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.